What's up, teachers? Today we're going to learn how to create a Google Classroom assignment and use Sketchpad as a drawing tool. Let's get logged into our Google Classroom account and create a new assignment. Next, let's give our assignment a title and some instructions. In the link section, paste the URL to Sketchpad and click Add Link. When you're happy with the assignment, press the Assign button to save and publish it for your students. Here's our completed assignment, ready for student submissions. When students log into Google Classroom, they'll see your assignment with the direct link to Sketchpad. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for tips on using Sketchpad in Google Classroom.